Dear XMind support team, I am recording this video to explicit something that I'm about to send you via email, because I thought that would be easier for you to understand, as it is something which is not necessarily easy to understand or to explain with words. So in my support email, I am referring to a Clumsy Notes keyboard navigation. So here is what I'm talking about. When I create some mind maps, I use a lot my keyboard arrows keys, to navigate through my map, to change from one topic to another, to navigate from one topic and go back to previous parent node, etc. And I come from several years of using the FreeMind mind mapping tool software, which I really liked it for many years, and I just discovered your product recently. As you can see on my screen, I've been using it as a trial version for 7 days, and there's something which is all very close to a no-go for me to go to a subscribed, a licensed mode, and this is the problem I'm having, and I'm going to demonstrate here. So I am currently selecting the main topic here, and I will press the right arrow of my keyboard. And as you can see, the next selected topic is actually a subtopic of the yellow topic here, the topic B. This is, first of all, this is totally not expected to me. I would have expected that either topic A or topic B would have been selected. Um, so why does it jump here over the topic B? It's not convenient, because if I'm here, actually, I wanted to maybe go to topic A, and if the topic B would have been selected, I would have simply, pressed the up arrow to move to topic A, and then I would have moved to my red topics there. But instead of that, I'm here, I press right, I go to subtopic 2. I understand that basically this is following some sort of horizontal layout, and the closest topic to the center maybe of the Clumsy Notes keyboard navigation is certainly the topic subtopic 2, or maybe the subtopic 1. This could have been 1 or 2. I don't know. But then when it comes to a more surprising behavior, is that okay, I'm on subtopic 6, I go back there, I add another one, and then but when I move to topic 7, this works fine, and then I'm on subtopic 8, and instead of going back to the topic B, it jumps to the topic D, which is going through a line, imaginary line again, and it moves to the other side of my map. If I'm here again, you see, and if I want, in fact, basically, okay, I'm on subtopic 8, I want to move to the red topics. Yes, I could do that and move there, but I like to, let's imagine I just want to add another topic on top of this one here, there. So would press, Shift Enter to enter another topic here. I just want to do that, and move. But no, I cannot. So I need to, oh, how can I select the red topics? It becomes totally tedious and very clumsy to navigate through, through the different topics, through the different maps. So it does not follow the tree structure, and this is something which is really odd, to say the least, to me. It is not expected, and I would expect that if I press the right arrow key, if I'm here, it would move to this, and then right again, move to there, and then right again, move to here, and then right again, move to there, and then right again, move to maybe here or there, depends maybe from the top, that would makes the most sense, and then right again and move to the first topic there. But in fact, it is not. So I hope this short video would have helped you understand what I was talking about in my support email. And what I would like to understand and to get from you is whether or not this has been reported to you already by some other customers. And if yes, if you are planning to make some changes there, or at least maybe, to put some sort of settings available so that we can have the choice between maybe some people like this way of behaving of your tool, but I don't like it at all. So having an option to trigger a more structured way of navigating through the keyboard would be very much appreciated. Thank you guys. Bye bye.